Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make plastic bricks. First, gather your plastic waste, ensuring it's clean and sorted by type. Common plastics like HDPE, LDPE, and PP are ideal for this process. You'll need about 250 grams of plastic for a standard brick. Remember, safety is paramount. Always work in a well-ventilated area and wear appropriate protective gear when handling heated materials. This guide will walk you through each step. Preparing your plastic waste is a critical first step. Begin by collecting a variety of plastics, like milk jugs or bottle caps. Wash them meticulously with soap and water, then ensure they are completely dry to prevent issues during melting. Next, sort your plastics by their resin identification codes, typically found on the bottom. Finally, shred or cut the plastic into small, consistent pieces, ideally less than 1 inch in size, to facilitate even melting. Now for the exciting part, melting and molding. You can use a dedicated plastic extruder or a conventional oven, maintaining temperatures between 180 and 250 degrees Celsius, depending on the plastic type. Once molten, carefully pour the liquid plastic into your brick mold. Apply consistent pressure, perhaps using a clamp, for several minutes to ensure the brick is dense and free of air pockets. Allow it to cool completely. After molding, proper cooling is essential for strong bricks. Let your bricks cool naturally for at least 30 minutes or longer for larger pieces before attempting to demold them. Once cool, carefully remove the brick from its mold. Inspect each finished brick for any imperfections or weak spots. These durable, repurposed plastic bricks are now ready for use in garden beds, small structures, or other creative building endeavors, offering a sustainable alternative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.